Welcome back to Meer Riders, your go-to channel for the latest and most thrilling bikes from around the world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated Italian superbikes, the 2025 Aprilia RSV2. Designed for pure speed, sharp handling, and unmatched technology, this bike is the next evolution of Aprilia's racing DNA. The evolution of the RSV series. The RSV2 continues the legendary legacy of Aprilia's superbike lineup, following in the footsteps of the iconic RSV4. But 2025 marks a new chapter. Aprilia has focused on making the RSV2 lighter, smarter, and even more powerful, pushing the limits of what a production superbike can achieve. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 RSV2 looks every bit as aggressive as you'd expect from Aprilia. It features a redesigned aerodynamic fairing with integrated winglets, a sharp LED headlight setup, and a sculpted fuel tank that gives it a track-ready stance. The bike's carbon and aluminum frame design ensures excellent rigidity while keeping the overall weight down. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV2 lies a 1,000 cubic centimeters V4 engine, re-engineered for improved torque and top-end power. Early reports suggest a power output of around 220 horsepower, making it one of the most potent superbikes of 2025. With ride-by-wire throttle, race-spec gearbox, and optimized engine mapping, the RSV2 promises explosive acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. Advanced technology. Aprilia continues to lead the way in rider technology. The RSV2 comes equipped with the latest generation Aprilia Performance Ride Control (APRC) suite, featuring traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS, and quickshifter. The fully digital TFT display offers detailed telemetry, customizable riding modes, and Bluetooth connectivity for modern riders. Handling and suspension. Built for serious riders, the RSV2 is equipped with Öhlins electronic suspension, Brembo Stylema brakes, and lightweight forged wheels. The chassis geometry is tuned for both agility on corners and stability on straights, giving riders the perfect balance of control and power. Price and rivals. The 2025 Aprilia RSV2 is expected to be priced in the premium superbike segment, competing with the Ducati Panigale V4, BMW M1000RR, and Yamaha R1M. However, its Italian design, race-focused engineering, and pure V4 performance make it a standout choice for enthusiasts. Conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RSV2 represents everything a modern superbike should be: fast, intelligent, and full of character. It's not just a machine, it's an emotion built for speed lovers and track warriors. That's all for today, riders. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Meer Riders for more updates on TH.